Hello everybody, I Tushar Jain, CFO and Research Head of Ajay Astro Money Guru. Welcome all of you today on 18th October 2021. In this episode, I will discuss about my views on Indian stock markets and what all things you need to consider for next few trading days. So friends, if you remember in our previous episodes also, we have strongly recommended that we are not expecting major profit booking or major downfall in especially Indian markets, that is Nifty and Bank Nifty. And exactly things can be seen in today's market also. Both Nifty and Bank Nifty made new all-time highs at the opening only, and they are showing good strength and strong stability. But whether they will sustain with this bullish move or not, that we will discuss in this episode. Let us look at the global sentiments and global news is as during the weekend the Chinese GDP data was declared and it was lower than expected, as the Chinese GDP data have come up at the 4.9% and it was expected to be 5.2%. So 0.3% less growth have been shown in Chinese economy in its third quarter, because of which the Chinese, Hong Kong, and Japanese, along with the South Korean market, was showing some profit booking. Although the profit booking was not much, but still they were in red. And also the industrial production of China rose by around 3.1% in September. That is below the 4.5% expected by the Reuters. So this shows that the Chinese economy is showing growth, but still it is below the expected growth by the economists and the analysts. But if we see the Indian markets on during the weekend, HDFC Bank results have been declared, and HDFC Bank net profit growth grow more than 17% in this quarter compared to the same quarter of the last fiscal year, which shows good growth. And it also encourages other banks and other heavyweights in Nifty and Bank Nifty like ICICI Bank and Kotak Bank, and investors' eyes are on these stocks as they are yet to declare their results, that are the ICICI Bank and Kotak Bank. And if we see the FIs and DIs data for the Thursday session, since the Friday was off due to the Dussehra, and on Thursday the FIs were net buyers by around 1600 crores, but the DIs remain net sellers. So from past two trading days, the FIs have been shifted as net sellers to net buyers, and the domestic investors are remaining at the net sellers in cash market. Also keeping in mind tomorrow is the holiday because of the Eid, and I Tushar Jain on behalf of on behalf of complete Ajay Astro Money Guru team wishes our viewers and stakeholders a very happy Eid. And since the Indian markets will remain closed tomorrow, therefore we need to consider that also. And another very important issue right now for especially Indian markets and Indian economy is the rising crude oil prices and coal prices and the shortage of coal in India. So due to the global power and energy crisis, the prices of crude oil is continuously increasing, and it had crossed the level of $85 if we see the Brent oil, and WTI also have crossed $82, which is not very good situation for the India. And also the coal prices are shooting up because of the coal shortages. And this energy crisis is not only happening in India, but also China is facing the similar problems in the major European countries like UK, Spain, France, Italy, also facing the similar problem of energy crisis. There, the major source of energy generation is from the natural gas. So there, the shortage of natural gas is there, and in India, the major source of energy generation of the electricity, it is through coal, and for the automobiles it is the crude, petrol and diesel, that is the crude oil. So and these two prices are also increasing, and especially the coal supply is limited, and majority of the power generation plants in India are facing coal shortages, and they are running on a critical stage. Although the government of India is ensuring that they need not to worry about the coal shortages or any, there is no coal shortage in India and everything is under control. That is why the Indian stock market is not discounting for such shortages of coal or increase in crude oil prices. The Indian markets are very positive and showing strength and strong signals. And as far as Nifty and Bank Nifty is concerned, there might be some amount of profit booking from the higher levels can be seen, but the overall sentiment of the market is expected to remain positive. No major 10-15% fall is expected, but still some amount of profit booking can be seen at the higher level. So you need to be careful in Nifty and Bank Nifty, especially for this week. If you are holding long position, you can book your profit, and it is not advised to make new long position at the current levels. So I hope you liked our analysis. That's all for the today's episode. See you in the next episode. Thank you and good day.